and I'm trying to pave the way for me and my peeps to get paid. This is the bathroom splash.
Greetings, YouTube. A light unleashed back at you from right here at the Green Thumb Gardening Channel here in Grow Zone 8B right here in Tifton, Georgia. And in this evening's video, YouTube, we're super excited to be bringing you guys a day 45 update on the 2 mango tree seedlings that we're currently growing right here in our front yard garden extended grow area in pots. But before we show you guys exactly what those 2 mango tree seedlings currently look like, this is indeed what our 2 mango tree seedlings looked like on day 16 during our last video update. Take a look at this, YouTube. And this, YouTube, this is indeed what our 2 mango tree seedlings that we were indeed able to successfully grow from seeds are currently looking like right here, right now, at the Green Thumb Gardening Channel. Hang tight, YouTube. Bam! Take a look at our 2 mango tree seedlings, YouTube. Are they looking fantastic, YouTube? Or what? Right here, right now, at the Green Thumb Gardening Channel, Grow Zone 8B, right here in Tifton, Georgia. This particular mango tree seedling here is every bit of 12 inches tall at this point. As you guys can see, it has the prettiest deep green leaves from bottom all the way along its stem. As you guys can see, it had a huge growth spurt between these last leaves and the current leaves that it's now currently putting on up there. But again, every single leaf on our mango tree seedling is happy, green, and healthy. This, YouTube, is our 2nd mango tree seedling. This mango tree seedling here is actually the first of our mango tree seedlings to germinate. As you can see, it has a much thicker stem, although it's much shorter than our 2nd to germinate mango tree seedling over there. And our 2nd to germinate mango tree seedling over there is indeed about 2.5 to 3 inches taller than our 1st to germinate mango tree seedling here. If you've been following the video series on our mango tree seedlings, you guys recall that this particular mango tree seedling we did indeed name Lionheart 84 after our dear friend Brett over there in the UK. Brett, as you can see, my friend, as you can see, you are indeed, my brother, you are indeed looking fantastically well here, Brett, on day 45. Every bit of 10 inches tall at this point. You are looking well. Indeed, YouTube, indeed. Day 45 of growing mango trees from seeds. Right here at the Green Thumb Gardening Channel. Grow Zone 8B, right here in Tifton, Georgia. And things are indeed, YouTube, are indeed looking well with our mango tree seedlings. Thanks for watching. And if indeed you currently are watching this video and you're not already subscribed to the Green Thumb Gardening Channel, please indeed take this moment to press that subscribe button beneath this video, that like button, that notification button, and be sure, YouTube, be sure to indeed share this video with your friends and family as well. Yeah, YouTube, yeah. Growing mango trees from seeds right here at the Green Thumb Gardening Channel. Thanks for watching.
Trying to pave the way for me and my peeps to get paid. This is the bathroom splash, some cold water. Hey, thanks to job for letting this life you see another day. Herbal meditation, elevation in the booth. Ain't much of a drinker, but they call this lion 100 proof. Ain't 1990, but this lion's about to raise the roof. Get tested, let me tell you what this lion's gonna do. I'm known for ripping haters just like I did the last time. Cause I shut them down every time I say what's on my mind. It was 8 years ago when I first hit the rap game. And way back then nobody really even knew my name. But it's a different time, a different city, different state. I started out small, but now this lion's heavyweight. Can you picture this? Sit back and watch me reminisce. I'm knocking haters off and I got your name up on my list. This lion's on the rise. You can see it in my eyes. I'm aiming for the top prize. I know it's been a minute. That don't mean I fell off. Rap king of the streets, and yeah, I'm still the boss.